this video we're going to discuss unit vectors. We'll start by defining what is meant by unit vector. So, a vector, u, is a unit vector if the magnitude of u is 1. We'll now demonstrate that, when given a vector, it is possible to obtain a unit vector pointing in the same direction as that vector. Let's start by taking a general vector a, which we'll denote in component form as a1 times I plus a2 times j. The way we obtain a unit vector pointing in the direction of a is by dividing a by its magnitude. So let's define a new vector u equal to a over the magnitude of a, which is of course just equal to a1 over the magnitude of a times I plus a2 over the magnitude of a times j. We'll now show that this is indeed a unit vector by taking its magnitude. So the magnitude of u is equal to the square root of a1 over the magnitude of a squared plus a2 over the magnitude of a squared. This just comes from Pythagoras' theorem, which was discussed in a previous video. This equals the square root of a1 squared plus a2 squared over the magnitude of a squared. Now, taking the root of the top and bottom separately, we get the square root of a1 squared plus a2 squared over the magnitude of a. But notice now that the top is just equal to the magnitude of a also. So we have the magnitude of a over the magnitude of a, which is of course 1, as we hoped. So u has length 1, and it points in the direction of a, since it is just a constant multiple of a. Now, let's apply this to an example. So, we're asked to find the magnitude of the vector x equal to 3i minus 4j, and find a unit vector in the direction of x. Let's start by finding the magnitude. This is just the square root of 3 squared plus minus 4 squared, which equals the root of 9 plus 16, which is root 25, which is 5. Now we'll find a unit vector in the direction of x using the method we just discussed. We'll call this vector u, and as we know, it is equal to x over 5, which is 3 over 5i minus 4 over 5j. So we've answered the question, but let's just do a quick check to ensure we have the right answer. The magnitude of u is equal to the root of 3 over 5 squared plus minus 4 over 5 squared, which is the root of 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25, which is root 25 over 25, which is indeed 1, as expected.